When protecting temperature-sensitive goods, the right insulation matters. We manufacture IBC insulation covers to help maintain stable temperatures during storage and transport by reflecting away excess heat in the summer and cold during the winter. We have two material grades to choose from, Thermopack Double and EcoCool Expert. Here's how to fit them. Start by draping the Thermopack Double Insulated IBC cover over the IBC. Make sure the cover is positioned centrally so that all sides fit evenly and neatly around the containers. If you've opted for the tape closure, simply peel the backing from the sides of the tape and press firmly together to seal the cover. If you've chosen the Velcro closure, press the hook and loop strips together to secure the cover into place. If you have opted for a top access hole, you'll be able to access the top cap without removing the cover. The same fitting process also applies if you've chosen an EcoCool Expert Insulated IBC cover. EcoCool Expert is our highest performing 6-layer multifoil insulation, offering outstanding thermal protection for international shipments or really sensitive contents. Our IBC covers protect liquids against temperature fluctuations all year round. You can order online at thermalpackaging.co.uk.